Mikoshi Jinku channel. Mikoshi Jinku. Hiroki sings double Jinku. Don't crow, chicken. Odawara Azalea. Hiroki from Hongo will sing 2 songs in a row. Thank you to everyone at Shinyukai. Today, Hiroki is wearing a Hongo Hanten, so he will be blessed with the lightning Jinku aura, the Jinku aura of Hongo men. After that, I also had the opportunity to sing. Thank you to everyone at Shinyukai. Thank you for watching. Peccoli. Please subscribe to our channel.